Take a look. This Instagram page has gained over 882,000 followers simply by posting dreamcore videos, some of the most satisfying, relaxing, and addictive videos to watch on social media right now. But here's the crazy part. Most people think these videos take hours to create. In reality, you can make them in just a few minutes completely free. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create dreamcore videos like these without spending a single dollar. And by the end, you'll know the entire workflow I used to make this video in less than 7 minutes. First, head over to ChatGPT, then go to Explore GPTs in the left sidebar and search for Dreamcore Studio Pro. Click on this one and start a new chat. At the top, you'll see a button that says Start. Click it, and the GPT will generate 10 different dreamcore nostalgia concepts that you can use for your videos. And if you want even more ideas, simply type More. For this example, I'm going with number 2, Empty Pool with Clouds, and hitting Send. The GPT will then generate 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Now, you might be wondering, why 5? That's because each one is an alternative version, giving you multiple creative options to choose from. Next, copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Select Image Generation Mode, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and hit Send. Wait a few moments, and as you can see, the image is generated, and honestly, the quality looks incredibly impressive. Now, head back to ChatGPT, copy the matching video prompt, and return to Google Flow AI. Choose the image you want to animate, select the OmniFlash video model, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, and hit Send. Now, you'll need to wait about a minute, and boom, your video is ready. Take a look at this. The result is incredibly calm, atmospheric, and satisfying to watch. And the best part? Using the OmniFlash video model, the video is 10 seconds long and only costs 15 credits, making it one of the most affordable ways to create content like this. Once it's finished, download it in the highest resolution available. Then simply repeat the exact same process to create unlimited dreamcore videos with different concepts and aesthetics. And that's the entire workflow. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to AI Xcentra so you don't miss upcoming viral niches, AI tools, and content opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.